Hi everyone. Today we're gonna replace timing chain and oil pump chain on 2.2 Skyactiv D engine. D stands for diesel. So this engine is off the car. It will be easier to show how to do the stuff. We're gonna first assembly chains, and then I will tell you how to disassemble that a little bit upside down. Also, this engine is upside down because I have no special tool for oil pump driven sprocket to remove it, so I have to manage without removing the oil pump driven sprocket, and I have to maneuver with balancer units to mount the oil pump chain. So basically, once you have it removed, you have to place it on a mark. Disassemble it from crankshaft, and there where you have a dot mark, it has to go with the first copper color link, and then together with balancer unit we have to mount it on its place. It's a little bit tricky, but it has to go. Yeah, so it's on place. Now I'm gonna fasten balancer unit and switch between upside down to mount the rest, and I will explain as a step. Next thing is to assemble the key, which is, I don't know where. So this is the key. We're gonna place it into the slot. Then the guide for the chain. The tightening torque is 10 newtons. And then will be tensioner. And release the So what is important to align the chain? Those two copper links must be aligned with those two dots on a driven sprocket. This one here with this dot. This is for another type of engine, but this fits. I mean, those two copper links should be actually present one, like so. So I marked it with white marker, and here as well. Those three. On another engine there is another dot like here. So that's why I marked with white here. And it has to be aligned. Next thing is to assembly timing chain. So first thing, we have to have this key pointing towards the top, and here is another mark. This one here has to be aligned with this edge of engine head, and here is another mark, little dot, and this will need to be aligned with copper link or yellow link. So here we have a dot on a sprocket and a different color link, and on the top is another different color link. So first mount it on the top. You can have this guide mounted or not, it doesn't matter. Next will be tensioner guides. It is better once tensioner is disassembled. Like so. And then we will release tensioner. So that would be it. And if you have an engine on a car, first you have to remove the injection system, then valve cover, then oil sump, and then the side wall. To disassembly, you start disassembling from pressing tensioner, mounting this paper clip on its place, and everything in reverse order as I do the mounting procedure. Okay, thanks for watching.